ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿರೋ ಜಾಗ ಬಂದು ನೂರ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಭಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್, ಕೇಸರ್, ಬಾದಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. अंगड़ी वोड़े नोड़ी इधर है. आपका नाम क्या है?
जी मेरा नाम नासिर है.
अच्छा, इधर क्या क्या मिलता है?
इधर सर केसर, अखरोट, बादाम मिलता है.
जी आप कितना साल का ये दुकान है?
ये सर बहुत पुराना शॉप है सर. मेरे हिसाब से 1947 का शॉप है. 1947 का
47 ऑलमोस्ट हो गया 78.
यस सर. आफ्टर एविडेंस.
तो आप इसमें इधर क्या क्या लाइक ड्राई फ्रूट्स मिलता है, कहाँ से आता है? ये लोकल का है, नहीं तो आप इम्पोर्ट करते हैं?
देखो सर, ड्राई फ्रूट में यहाँ होता है सर बादाम, अखरोट होता है, एप्रिकॉट होता है यहाँ का, ब्लैक बेरीज भी होता है थोड़ा थोड़ा सा.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट द केसर?
सैफरान तो यहाँ का मेन है सर.
मेन है
सैफरान
यानी कि आप गांव से खरीद के आप पैकिंग करते हैं?
सर हमारा खुद का भी ज़मीन है.
ओके, वो उधर आप खेती बड़ी करके उसका
खेती
ನಾನು ನೋಡಿ 10 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೇಸರಿ ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ₹1 ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
अगर आप 5 किलोमीटर जाओगे ना सर,
ಪಾಪ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
5 किलोमीटर जाओगे यहाँ से
अभी
सर ने आपको दिखाया पूरे कश्मीर में.
अभी हमको डिस्काउंट दे रहा है सब्जी ने, तो
बोलिए हमको कितने डिस्काउंट देते हैं? वीडियो पे बोलिए.
100 रुपये.
सिर्फ ₹100.
एक एक के लिए 100 रुपये देना तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा आपको.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೇಸರಿ ಕೂಡ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ.
And by the way, excuse me sir,
हाँ जी.
saffron never spoils.
so how many days we can keep this?
You can keep for 10 years, but use only with dry hands.
Okay, so we cannot keep this one in the freezer?
No, you cannot. There is no probability you put in the freezer. ऐसी ज़रूरत बात नहीं है सर, इसको ऐसे भी रख सकते हो आप ड्राई प्लेस पे.
तो मेरे को अखरोट एक आधा के जी, बादाम आधा
आपका एड्रेस बोलिए, आपका नंबर बोलिए.
नंबर है ना सर, मैं कार्ड
नहीं, इधर
इधर बोलिए वीडियो पे.
नंबर नूर मोहम्मद भट्ट.
नूर मोहम्मद.
आपका नाम?
दुकान का नाम है नूर मोहम्मद भट्ट.
ओके.
नंबर
मेरा नाम है नासिर.
ओके.
जी सर.
आपका मोबाइल नंबर?
8825034509.
ये कौन सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आता है आपका दुकान?
पुलवामा सर.
पुलवामा.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
सर नमस्ते, मेरा नाम जगदीश है. सो वी आर फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, कर्नाटका. सो साउथ से आ रहे हैं इधर. सो वी आर जस्ट ऑन द वे. वी थॉट लाइक टू परचेज सम ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड आई हर्ड दैट आपका दुकान बहुत पुराना है, फ्रॉम 1947 से है. सो इसलिए वी वांट टू ट्राई थिंग्स. सो वी आर जस्ट केम टू परचेज. तो भाई साहब ये पहले बोलिए, ये क्या है? ये बॉटल में है. सो द सेम थिंग विल बी.
अब आपने सुना ही है कि मतलब ये दुकान 1947 से चल रहा है. ये दुकान मोस्टली फेमस है केसर के लिए. सैफरान, सैफरान तो पता ही होगा ना.
Yeah, we know.
हाँ, ये सैफरान रहता है मतलब यहाँ का. ये इसके बारे में कुछ नॉलेज है आपको?
नो वी आर नॉट गुड.
हाँ.
हमको उतना नॉलेज नहीं है. वी कैन टच.
Yeah. You can just touch also, you can just taste it also, you can just take flavor also. The main identification of the saffron is, if you want to know it is real or not, just take 1-2 pieces. Take 1-2 pieces, put in a mouth and chew. It should have little bit of bitter taste. If it is sweet, then it is not a saffron. This is the simple identification
slightly
of saffron.
bitter.
Yeah,
Abhi thoda
little.
bitter.
If you bite it sensibly, na, then it should give little bit of bitter taste. Yeah. But the main identification of the saffron is, if you want to know, you should have to put saffron on something like coffee, milk, drink, any kind of drink. This saffron should give it its own color. It gives yellow color, but the thread of the saffron remains as like that. If it just changes its color, yeah, if it get dissolved in that water, then it is not a saffron.
Okay.
Recently, some customers say me saffron should be float on there. That is not. These are not YouTube, वगैरह some other. These are not identification, but the identification is main like this.
So where and all we can use? क्या क्या चीज़ में use कर
You
सकते
can
हैं?
from anything you want to eat, anything you want to drink, you can just put saffron on it. It has so many medicinal value. Saffron, everybody does not know. And also main benefit is it also helps in pregnancy also. It has too much benefits in that also.
So वो बच्चे like they'll very beautiful color.
वो ब्यूटीफुल कलर नहीं, वो ज़रूरी नहीं होता है. वो तो ऊपर वाला बनाता है, गोरा किसको बनाएगा वो तो उसके में. लेकिन बट जो स्किन रहता है, जो उसकी ग्रोथ रहती है वो बेस्ट रहती है. उसका आईज मेमोरी वो बेस्ट रहता है. वो सैफरान की मतलब बेनिफिट्स है.
Apart from that saffron, what are all things are?
You can get also the things from here local is walnut.
This locally
This is locally from here.
Like you'll purchase and we'll do it.
Yeah, we have three for we have own land of the saffron, walnut and almond. These are own land. Here you can get walnut. This is Kashmiri walnut is best because it helps in cholesterol, arthritis problems, it is good for that. Yeah. And
And badam?
badam is also special from here because the almond you mostly see the bigger size almonds in everywhere. Na?
California.
Yeah, California ones. You people have only knowledge about that.
Yes.
You does not have knowledge about this. But these are one of the best. Everybody बोलते हैं ना बच्चों को बादाम देना चाहिए. वो खाली कश्मीरी बादाम होता है जिससे वो मेमोरी शार्प रहती है. क्योंकि इस वाले बादाम में क्या रहता है? इस वाले बादाम में you can just see. These are smaller in size, not too much smaller, but medium in size. And if you want to check what is the difference between California and Kashmiri almonds, why it is so special, because they contain this part. You can just see.
Okay. Its oil is coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should have to pay for this. And that oil is mostly good for eyesight, mostly good for memory. 1 cup of milk, put 5 pieces of saffron, 5 pieces of almond every day. Give. No need to wear specs. Good looking face, good for memory. It helps in that. Yeah. And you can get also these apricots from here. And we are doing business of all things.
And also,
Like you can get berries from here, blackberries, cranberries.
so it will be in the mountains or how? It will be available in the mountains?
Nah, it will be available in plains also. You can get it everywhere. Na?
And what about you were just showing something? What is this?
This is Salajit.
No, that one.
This is Salajit. Salajit, mostly the people have bad concept about this, but this is one of that thing. It is just like you just think like that. It is sweating of stones, excretion. Yeah. And people who are suffering from arthritis problem, or joint pain, back pain, knee pain, they can just use this. From 20 years old, 20 years, up to 100 years.
Whatever
they can just use this.
how many days they are going to
Yeah.
live, they can use
Yeah,
it.
they can just use this. It does not have any kind of side effect. It is good for health.
Whether it's medically tested or how?
This is medical tested. Anything you buy from my shop, it is guaranteed and genuine. If you get any kind of complaint, anything, you can just call us. I will pay you back also.
No, we can replace the material, something like that.
Yeah, you can just pay money by double.
No. In case of anything.
Yeah, if you want some time also, you can just call us. I will send also. We are giving saffron.
So यानी कि हमको चाहिए, for example, पूरा खाली हो गया. So we can give a call to your shop.
Yeah, you can just place your order on a website. You can just place your order.
You got
on
your website?
WhatsApp. Yeah.
What's the website?
Website.
What's the card?
noormohammadbhat.com.
Yes, sir.
Sir, card, sir. Second number? Yes, sir.
Anytime you want, you can just place your order on a website. You can just place your order on
Or you
a
can give a call also, no?
any number. Every number is working. Second number is mine. You can just
Deliver
WhatsApp.
anywhere in India, right?
Second is yours.
All over India. Foreign also, but
This
if
one?
they
This
have.
one, sir. Next one. This is my brother.
Your number is
The last issue में
Last brother.
That's fine. Good. So we have purchased almost a lot of materials from them. So we are just telling a thanks.
चलो nice to meet
Thanks.
you. Thanks so much.
Thank you, sir.
Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you.
Inshallah we'll meet again.
ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಭಾರಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಇದೊಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದು, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋ ಐಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಐಟಮು.